นี่คือปัญหาที่เกิดขึ้นทั่วโลกในขณะนี้ครับไม่ว่าจะเป็นเรื่องของความรุนแรงในการเหยียดเพศเหยียดชาติพันธุ์เหยียดสีผิวหรือว่าความรุนแรงในโรงเรียนซึ่งเราพบปะได้บ่อยมากในข่าวที่เราเห็นอยู่ในหลากหลายประเทศที่เราคิดว่าเป็นประเทศที่เจริญแล้วแต่เรื่องเหล่านี้ไม่เกิดขึ้นในแคนาดานะครับ but these kind of problems social violence racism it's never been happened in the country that we call Canada why because if you look from the outside from the appearance of the people who's walking down the street you cannot tell that they are local Canadian or not just like Mr. Aaron just like most of the Thai people here that they used to be Thai but now they are Canadian some of them even speak Chinese I just talked to Terry Mr. Terry he speaks a very good Chinese speak even better than me and you know for the next professor that I would like to invite him on the stage he's Chinese his ancestor is Chinese he looks like me I thought he looked like my father and then you know I asked him like you speak Chinese 然后他就开始跟我讲中文 and then after that he speak Chinese to me but he is now Canadian so this is the evidence that proved Canada is the country for everyone ladies and gentlemen and next I would like to invite the professor from Douglas College. This college is in Vancouver. It's one of the most beautiful and famous college in Canada. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to David Chan, the Canadian. 现在掌声有请，请。
Thank you. Wow, I'm so impressed. First of all, I would like to thank the Pacific Premium to offer this wonderful opportunity to invite me onto this stage to present Douglas College. My name is David Chan. I'm the marketing manager at Douglas College International. I would like to give you a very brief introduction about Douglas College, and here we go. Can I have the click? Thank you. So, choose success, choose Douglas College. That's our slogan. First of all, where's Douglas College located? We are located in the beautiful province of British Columbia, Great Vancouver area. I think earlier Terry from Bothwell College has explained a little bit about West Coast city of Vancouver. I'm going to elaborate a little bit more. I would like to describe Vancouver in 3 different points. Number 1 is Vancouver is being ranked the most livable city in the world in the past decade years. But the recent years, the ranking has gone a little bit backwards is because of the rising cost. And secondly, for Thai people, it's very important. Everyone's scared about the severe cold weather. Vancouver, we have a very mild winter time. I can promise you that you will never be afraid of the winter time in Vancouver. And number 3, which is also very important for many of the families, especially young kids, families, parents. Vancouver is a very safe, multicultural society where people choose to live and study. And according to a survey, about 50% of the families living in Vancouver area, their spoken language at home is not English. Typically, my family, at home, we speak Shanghai dialects. But at work, of course, everyone communicates in English. So Vancouver is a very multicultural society, and it's very popular. So most of the international students choose to come to Canada to study, especially the post-secondary education is for their future, for the jobs. So in Vancouver, British Columbia, we anticipate in the next decade or 10 years, we are going to create 1 million jobs. 1 million jobs means each year there are going to be about 100,000 jobs being created. But 100,000 jobs, $10,000 jobs may not sound a great number, but just imagine in the province of British Columbia, there is only a total population of 5 million. So I'll skip this. International students choose Douglas College. I'll give you the main primary reasons why they choose Vancouver and Douglas College to live and study. First of all, Douglas College is a public institution, which means we offer quality education and we have a good reputation. Our institution has been around since 1970. We have 54 years of short history. Number two is we have 3 campuses serving about 20,000 students, including 3,400 international students at this time. And that 3,400 international students includes 60 students from Thailand. We have increasing number of students from this market in the past 4 years. We grow from 5 students from Thailand to the current 60 students. So that means Douglas College is getting more and more popular here in Thailand. Our program tends to be more practical. That means graduates, whether the Canadian or international student, will find it easier to get jobs after you graduate from Douglas College. And also, in terms of the tuition fees, we charge a lot less than those famous research universities. You can have lots of tuition fee saving by choosing to study at Douglas College. Our tuition fee year-round for international students is around below 20,000. In the research universities, it can be about 60,000. So you can have a huge saving on tuition fee alone. And we have more flexible, more frequent intakes. That means that if you miss 1 semester of study intake, you don't have to wait for 1 year to be enrolled in the next available program. And it's only a gap of 4 months. And we offer much smaller size classes. That means students will get more attention from the professors and the instructors. And being an international student, you have the privilege of receiving specialized services from our international education team. We have 40 full-time dedicated staff, including immigration licensed advisors, to serve our international students. And very importantly, our campuses are located nearby the SkyTrain station, similar to BTS system here. So it's only steps away from the campus, where students can get on to a SkyTrain and then go to where they live. So it's very convenient. And being an international student, you are entitled to work off campus during your full-time study. That means that you will have opportunity to earn some pocket money. And also, students will be able to graduate and receive a 3-year postgraduate work permit, depending what kind of program you're going to choose to complete. And this is the map of our campuses. You can see those lines are all SkyTrain lines. So our campus, again, is only steps away from the SkyTrain stations. Very convenient. And this is our New Westminster campus. This is where I have worked in the past 28 years. This is the campus. And this is our Coquitlam campus. And very excitingly, we are building a brand new teaching and then student residence building. It's going to be a modern 21-story high with 365 beds, but it will take another 2.5 years to complete. So in the spring of 2027, we're going to have a brand new student dormitory building for international students. So the type of program we offer for our domestic or international students are usually divided into 3 categories. One is our traditional 2-year college diploma program, where the students can study for 2 years and then graduate and seek for employment opportunities. We have more than 100 programs that are open for international students. I'm not going to go through all the program lists, but the second type of program is also very, very important and attractive for international students is our university transfer program, which allows the students to study in 5 different subject areas, such as arts, science, business, computing, and engineering, and then move on to universities to complete their bachelor's degree. So by doing so, that the students can typically study at college for 2 years, saving their tuition fee, and then move on to the universities to have their 3rd and 4th year degree studies. When you graduate from those universities, your credential will be the same as if you study 4 years in those universities. And of course, university transfer is not guaranteed. Students will have to take the right courses, and also you have to do really well academically. If your grades are not up to what the universities are looking for, then you can choose to stay in the college to complete our own 4-year bachelor's degree. So we offer lots of flexibilities for students to begin and complete their post-secondary education in Canada. So we have about 12 bachelor's degree programs that international students can choose to continue and then graduate. And also the last category is our post-degree diploma program, which allows the students who completed their bachelor's degree, whether it's years ago or recent years, in order to start a new bachelor's degree program in Douglas College. You can choose a variety of our post-degree diploma programs. We have 17 one-year post-degree diploma programs that students can choose to complete. And we also have the option for students to do a 2-year post-baccalaureate diploma programs. And again, we have 11 2-year, we call it PBD programs that are available for international students to choose. Among those programs, the most popular program is called Computer and Information System in 3 different streams. And being a public institution in Canada, we offer co-op education, which allows the students to study and then use the theory they learn from the classroom in the real job placement. So we also offer career services to prepare the students for their future after graduate employment opportunities as well. So those are standardized services we provide for international students for all free. And this is a rundown of our current tuition fee cost. Tuition fee is around $20,000. And with the medical insurance, student fees, transportation, housing, everything adds up together, you'll be looking at spending $40,000 per year to study at Douglas College, being an international student and living in Greater Vancouver area. And our admission requirements, we'll first look at the students' English language requirements. We require the students to have one of those standardized English test results: TOEFL 83, IELTS 6.5, PTE, KL, and also most recently we added Duolingo of 110. And also we require the students have minimum of high school graduation with the average score of C grades. So the admission requirements is quite low. For those students who do not meet the English language requirements, you're welcome to study at Douglas College to improve your English. So if your IELTS score is 5.5, you will be required to study 2 semesters, 8 months of language study upgrading. We offer scholarships for international students. They are divided into 2 different categories. One is called award. It's not a significant of amount, but it's a recognition of the student's prior achievement. And the second category is another $2,500 scholarships. So potentially a student can receive up to $3,500 scholarships before they begin their study at Douglas College. It's all the entrance scholarships. And we have 3 intakes. My advice is to apply as soon as possible, as some of the programs that are popular are getting filled very quickly.
ขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับคุณเดวิดหน่อยนะฮะนี่นะครับก็เป็นอีกหนึ่งมหาวิทยาลัยนะครับที่มีชื่อว่า Douglas College นะครับเมื่อกี้นี้มีรายละเอียดเยอะมากเลยมีทั้งข้อมูลเกี่ยวกับว่าเรามี facilities อะไรใช้ชีวิตยังไงคณะอะไรค่าเทอมเท่าไหร่แล้วจะขอทุนการศึกษาได้ยังไงนะครับผมขอไมโครโฟนยื่นให้กับดรเดวิดหน่อยนะฮะ Okay one more last question to our Asian parents what is the best reason for the Thai parents that they should send their children to our university Douglas College
Wait. For Thai families, if you are thinking about sending your kids to North America to have a future, so the very first step is to choose the right school to begin your post-secondary education. It may not be Douglas College where your kids will graduate, but at least we will offer you the foundation year university programs where you can begin and excel from here.
ก็คือท่านบอกอย่างนี้นะครับว่าสำหรับ Douglas College เนี่ยนะฮะจะเป็นโรงเรียนที่เตรียมพร้อมสำหรับการเข้ามหาวิทยาลัยได้เป็นอย่างดีโดยเฉพาะอย่างยิ่งสำหรับผู้ปกครองชาวเอเชียดูหน้าผู้ดูแลก็เอเชียอยู่แล้วนะฮะเพราะฉะนั้นสบายใจได้นะครับขอบพระคุณมากๆเลยสำหรับ Douglas College of Vancouver Canada ครับ A big round of applause once again and thank you very much ขอบพระคุณครับดร. David thank you